Good evening everyone and welcome to the Q&A session 16 from the chapter of motion in a plane. The topic is the comparison of time of flight in a projectile motion on an inclined plane. So based on this topic I have one question for this session. The question for this session is the same which was discussed in the session number 15. So in the session number 15 we have compared the projection velocities of the two projectiles which were projected up the plane and inclined the plane. Now in this session the question is the same, and in this question we will be comparing the time of flight of the two projectile motions which are projected from this point O and this point P on the inclined plane. So here the question is, a projectile is launched from the point O with a velocity u1 at an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal as shown in this figure, and another projectile is projected from the point P on the inclined plane at an angle of 60 degree with a velocity u2. So the question here is the same which was discussed in the session number 15, and in the session number 15 the ratio of u1 upon u2, that is u1 upon u2 was equal to root 2. So we have to find the ratio of the time of their time of flight. So here let us consider, now the time of flight is the time taken by the projectile to reach from O to P or from P to O. So let us take the projectile motion up an inclined plane. Now in the case of the projectile motion up an inclined plane, let us say the time of flight is t1. So the formula for it is 2u cos theta minus alpha upon 2u sin theta minus alpha divided by g cos alpha, where alpha is the angle of inclination of this inclined plane with the horizontal and theta is the angle of projection with the horizontal. And this is the formula for the projectile motion up an inclined plane. And for the projectile motion down the inclined plane, let us say the time of flight is t2, so this will be equal to 2u sin theta plus alpha divided by g cos alpha. Now here u is in the that is the projectile is projected with a velocity u1 from this point O. So here u will be equal to u1, and in the second case when the projectile is projected from the point P with a velocity u2, so this t2 will be equal to 2u2 sin, now theta here is equal to 60 degree, alpha is equal to 30 degree, so this will be equal to 90 sin 90 degree, and here in this case this will be equal to 60 minus 30, which is equal to 30 degree. So from here if I divide both these two equations, I will be getting t1 upon t2 will be equal to u1 this sin 30, this divided by u2 sin 90. So now u1 upon u2 in the previous session was equal to root 2, and sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, and sin 90 is equal to 1. So finally I will be getting the value as root 2 upon 2, and this can also be written as root 2 multiplied by root 2 divided by 2 root 2. So this is equal to, this will be equal to, now root 2 into root 2 is equal to 2, so 2 and 2 will get cancelled out, so finally it will be 1 upon root 2. So t1 upon t2 is equal to 1 upon root 2. So thank you very much for joining this session. Now in the next session I will be coming up with a different type of a question from the topic of this projectile motion on an inclined plane. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.